Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Luxchoice portable air mattress in queen size here. Oh, this is a nice portable air mattress for everyday use if you like, because it's so nice with rechargeable built-in pump system, an airbed, an anti-puncture, and a wear-resistant blow-up mattress. Great for home and great for travel, as you can see. It's on the market in short twin size, in twin size, and in queen size. That's a cool thing. High density and anti-wear. Luxchoice luxury air mattress is made of cold-resistant, anti-puncture, and anti-noise fabric. It will not harden at ultra-low temperatures. More stays soft and wrinkle-resistant than other PVC flocked fabric airbeds. This allows us to have a high-quality sleep. Oh, that's cool. And more comfort and silence. The queen size inflatable mattress features 40 air spraying coils that provide even support. The thickened fabric balances internal air pressure, preventing the body aches caused by prolonged lying. Meanwhile, the Luxchoice luxury air mattress has a noise reduction feature that minimizes the noise caused by turning over, so we can enjoy comfortable night sleep all night long on that airbed here. And it's more convenient, and at the same, it's lighter. The Luxchoice portable air mattress boasts a removable and rechargeable built-in air pump that eliminates the need of electrical outlets. The air mattress can be inflated and deflated in just 3 minutes with the push of a button. A fully charged air pump can inflate or deflate the air mattress for up to 5 times, and it can also be used to inflate other inflatable products with the nozzles. The Luxchoice Deluxe Airbed suitable for both home and travel, including camping. This air mattress comes with a 2500 mAh air pump. It comes with a USB Type-C charging cable, which we can use to recharge the air pump battery. Oh, it looks so nice. It's in a brown surface look. It's also, or it's brown, not so really brown. It's a little bit gray brown, but it's also on the market in white and blue and so on. Upgraded luxury air mattress comes here, softer and more skin friendly, and mute sleeping mode with 2500 mAh detachable portable pump, and it is a silent pump. It's not so loud. We have an anti-puncture and an anti-noise design. So that means if you're in camping and there's the ground of not so flat, no problem for it. And rapid inflation in around about 3 up to 5 minutes. And it's cold resistance and anti-wrinkle and anti-wear. Softer than flocking fabrics and skin friendlier here. Luxchoice makes here a luxury mattress for us. Ultimate air coils and a high quality fabric air pressure balancing technology comes here. It provides the even point of the support to prevent the body aches and pains caused by prolonged living down. And the Luxchoice upgraded anti-noise version. Oh, its cloud offers a comfortable and a high quality sleeping, various occasions, outdoor, indoor camping, and so on. The queen size dimensions are 36 centimeter high, 14 inches, 196 centimeters wide, 77 inches, and 150 centimeters in the dimensions are enough for one up to two people on it. 59 inches. Oh, this is a big bed, and it makes a big, cool job because it's a comfortable air mattress. This provides more silent sleep, anti-noise when turning over, so that we can have a high quality sleep where we like. And abrasion resistant, cold resistant, and crack resistant. The high density thickened fabric maximizes the durability of the airbed, more durable than other ordinary PVC fabrics beds on the market, of course. And rechargeable and portable at the same time. It's a nice device with the motor. The pump you can use for deflation and inflation in the office, at camping. It's portable. You can remove it. You can recharge it by USB sources. That means you can recharge the pump by using your computer or using your AC adapter from your smartphone or using USB socket or something else. And if it is recharged, you can make it mobile. You can go and go and go to rebuild the mattress day by day. Luxchoice enjoy more convenient and comfortable life. And the brand story beyond Luxchoice. The company was founded to create the most outrageous, comfortable, and easiest air mattress. Strive to make the experience as simple and as pleasant as possible. And the vision of them, they believe that sleep is magic. Recharge our bodies and minds. Great sleep makes us faster, smarter, and warmer. They want to start a sleep revolution. People can enjoy their sleep where life takes us. But it's stylish design, of course. Each product is touchfully designed and crafted with quality materials to ensure that provide us with an unparalleled high quality experience. Only this gives us Luxchoice. Lux for luxury, choice for choice. This is the Luxchoice brand. And Luxchoice makes really good portable air mattress here. In this case, it is the queen size portable air mattress with a built-in pump, an airbed, an anti-puncture and wear-resistant blow-up mattress, great for home and travel services. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And it's really easy to use. Inflate it, push the button to inflate, use the pump. After a couple of minutes, switch off the device and have a good night. If you like to deflate it, open the valve, let the air comes out of the air mattress, then seal it again. Job's done. Easy peasy. Soon.